world is different now. There's less noise. The streets that were once filled with cars are empty. We've been left alone, weddings postponed, plans undone, shifting like sand under our feet, separated, isolated, and afraid. For our family, our friends, it's hard to know how to feel. An emotion, a preconceived notion of what's to come. Now our perspectives are different. Worrying about what to wear or how to fix our hair now feels insignificant. Alone in a time of social distance, we wander in search of purpose, for meaning, all the while streaming background noise to drown out the sound of loneliness. We turn to our phones when we feel alone, but when the battery dies, we're left unsatisfied. Waiting for notifications to get some instant gratification from a life of simulated interaction. We're missing the point. Through waves and wires, the world keeps talking. Let this distance show our resilience. Isolation has opened our eyes to the things we've been blind to, renewed our hearts when it seems we can't break through, to a realization that this world is bigger than ourselves. It's when we unify that we exemplify the human spirit. Even with this global impact, we can keep our relationships intact. Now is the time to come together, love better, and look towards the future.